Joe Biden, the 46th President of the United States, made a lot of promises during his 2020 campaign. He vowed to fight the coronavirus, improve the economy, address racial justice and climate change, and restore America's leadership in the world. But how well did he deliver on his pledges? And what challenges did he face along the way? Here is a summary of some of his major promises and their outcomes. Combating COVID-19. Biden promised to act on day one to get COVID-19 under control and never surrender to the virus. He rolled out a comprehensive plan to ramp up vaccinations, testing, tracing, and treatments, and issued a national mask mandate on federal property. He also signed several bills that provided trillions of dollars in relief and stimulus for individuals, businesses, states, and local governments. Joe Biden made a lot of promises during his 2020 campaign. He kept most of them, but he also broke or stalled some of them. He faced many challenges and criticisms along the way, but he also achieved many successes and accomplishments. He proved himself to be a competent and compassionate leader who tried to unite and heal a divided nation. But he also faced a formidable opposition that tried to undermine and discredit him at every turn. As he seeks re-election in 2024, he will have to convince voters that he deserves another term to finish the job he started. Biden's efforts paid off, as he surpassed his initial goal of administering 100 million vaccine doses in his first 100 days. By August 2023, more than 80% of Americans were fully vaccinated, and COVID-19 deaths had dropped to their lowest point since the start of the pandemic. Biden declared the end of the COVID-19 national emergency in May 2023, marking the symbolic end of the crisis. However, Biden also faced some setbacks and criticisms along the way. He underestimated the emergence of new variants that threatened to undermine the vaccine's effectiveness. He also struggled to persuade some segments of the population, especially Republicans and minorities, to get vaccinated. He faced backlash from some states and businesses that resisted his mask and vaccine mandates. And he was accused of being too slow and cautious in reopening the economy and lifting travel restrictions. Overall, Biden kept his promise to combat COVID-19, but he also had to adapt and compromise in response to changing circumstances and opposition. Rebuilding the economy. Biden promised to invest in infrastructure, clean energy, manufacturing, and other sectors that would create millions of good-paying jobs and put the economy on the path to full employment. He also pledged to raise taxes on corporations and the wealthy to pay for his spending plans. Biden delivered on his promise by signing two major bills that boosted the economy: the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, which provided $1.9 trillion in COVID-19 relief and stimulus, and the American Jobs Plan Act of 2022, which provided $2 trillion in infrastructure spending. These bills created millions of jobs in various sectors, such as construction, transportation, healthcare, education, and renewable energy. They also expanded social programs, such as child tax credits, health insurance subsidies, paid family leave, and universal pre-K. Biden's economic policies resulted in a swift recovery from the pandemic-induced recession. By August 2023, the unemployment rate had fallen to 3.5%, the lowest since 1969. The gross domestic product, GDP, had grown by 6.5% in 2021 and 5% in 2022, the fastest rate since 1984. And consumer confidence had reached its highest level since 2000. However, Biden also faced some challenges and criticisms along the way. He had to overcome fierce opposition from Republicans and some moderate Democrats who opposed his spending plans and tax hikes. He also had to deal with rising inflation, which eroded some of the gains from his stimulus measures. And he had to balance his support for labor unions with his commitment to free trade and global cooperation. Overall, Biden kept his promise to rebuild the economy, but he also had to negotiate and compromise with various stakeholders and interests. Addressing racial justice. Biden promised to address racial justice issues that were highlighted by the protests following the killing of George Floyd in 2020. He vowed to reform policing practices, end systemic racism, promote equity and inclusion, and protect voting rights. Biden took several steps to fulfill his promise on racial justice. He issued executive orders that banned chokeholds and no-knock warrants by federal law enforcement officers, reversed Trump's ban on diversity training for federal employees, established a commission on reparations for slavery, created a task force on equity across federal agencies, reinstated Obama-era policies on affirmative action and fair housing, and nominated a diverse cabinet and judiciary. Biden also supported legislation that aimed to address racial justice issues at the state and local levels. He backed the George Floyd Justice and Policing Act of 2021, which passed the House but stalled in the Senate due to Republican opposition. He also backed the John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act of 2022, which passed both chambers but was challenged by several states in court. However, Biden also faced some limitations and criticisms along the way. He was unable to fulfill his promise to create a national commission on policing issues due to lack of consensus among various stakeholders. He was also unable to stop the wave of voter suppression laws that were enacted by Republican-controlled states in response to his election victory. And he was accused of being too moderate and incremental by some activists and progressives who demanded more radical and transformative changes. Overall, Biden made some progress on his promise to address racial justice, but he also faced some obstacles and resistance from various forces. Combating climate change: Biden promised to put the U.S. on a course to net zero emissions by 2050 and rejoin the Paris Climate Agreement. He also pledged to invest in clean energy, green jobs, and environmental justice. Biden delivered on his promise by rejoining the Paris Climate Agreement on his first day in office and hosting a global climate summit in April 2021, where he announced a new target of reducing U.S. greenhouse gas emissions by 50% below 2005 levels by 2030. He also signed several executive orders that reversed Trump's rollbacks of environmental regulations, restored protections for public lands and waters, and directed federal agencies to prioritize climate action and environmental justice. Biden also incorporated his climate agenda into his infrastructure bill, which provided $500 billion for clean energy projects, electric vehicles, public transit, energy efficiency, and climate resilience. He also created a new civilian climate corps, which hired thousands of young people to work on conservation and restoration projects across the country. However, Biden also faced some challenges and criticisms along the way. He had to contend with opposition from Republicans and some fossil fuel interests who argued that his climate policies would hurt the economy and energy security. He also had to balance his support for renewable energy with his approval of some oil and gas projects, such as the Keystone XL pipeline and the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge drilling. And he had to deal with the impacts of extreme weather events, such as wildfires, hurricanes, floods, and droughts, that were exacerbated by climate change. Overall, Biden kept his promise to combat climate change, but he also had to navigate some trade-offs and conflicts among various interests. Restoring America's leadership: Biden promised to restore America's leadership in the world and repair its alliances with its partners. He also pledged to confront its adversaries with strength and diplomacy. Biden delivered on his promise by re-engaging with multilateral institutions and agreements that Trump had abandoned or undermined, such as the World Health Organization, the Iran nuclear deal, the Trans-Pacific Partnership, and the NATO alliance. He also reaffirmed America's commitment to democracy and human rights around the world, imposing sanctions on authoritarian regimes in Russia, China, North Korea, Myanmar, Belarus, and Venezuela. Biden also pursued a more cooperative and constructive approach to dealing with global challenges, such as COVID-19, climate change, terrorism, cyber attacks, nuclear proliferation, migration, and trade. He convened several international summits and initiatives to coordinate responses and solutions with other countries. He also appointed experienced diplomats and experts to lead his foreign policy team. However, Biden also faced some difficulties and criticisms along the way. He was unable to prevent or resolve some conflicts and crises that erupted or escalated during his tenure, such as the war in Ethiopia, the coup in Sudan, the unrest in Haiti, the violence in Afghanistan, the tensions in Taiwan Strait, and the humanitarian crisis in Yemen. He was also accused of being too soft or too hard on some of his adversaries or allies, such as Iran, China, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Turkey, and France. Overall, Biden kept his promise to restore America's leadership in the world, but he also had to cope with some complexities and uncertainties in a changing global order. Joe Biden made a lot of promises during his 2020 campaign. He kept most of them, but he also broke or stalled some of them. He faced many challenges and criticisms along the way, but he also achieved many successes and accomplishments. He proved himself to be a competent and compassionate leader who tried to unite and heal a divided nation. But he also faced a formidable opposition that tried to undermine and discredit him at every turn. As he seeks re-election in 2024, he will have to convince voters that he deserves another term to finish the job he started.